Want to add apps to your VIZIO Smart TV but you can't find the app store? Don't worry, in this video I will show you exactly how to add access apps on your VIZIO TV step by step. Whether you have a newer VIZIO TV or older VIZIO TV Via or a Via Plus model, I will explain the correct method for your TV. So grab your remote, follow along and let's get started. First, let's start with the easiest method for newer VIZIO Smart TVs. For this, first step is turn on your VIZIO TV. Turn the TV and make sure it is connected to the internet. Second step is open the home screen. Press the home button on your VIZIO remote. On some models, you can also select SmartCast from the TV's input menu. Third step is find the apps section. On the VIZIO home screen, look through the available apps or the app area. VIZIO OS includes a large catalog of apps, including services such as Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, Max, Apple TV+, and YouTube. Fourth step is search for the app. Use the TV search function and type the name of the app you want. For example, YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, Prime Video, Apple TV+. Fifth step is select the app. When you find the app, select it your remote. On many current VIZIO platforms, you don't download the app like you would an Android TV. Supported apps are integrated into the VIZIO platform and can be launched from the home screen. Step 6 is open the app and sign in using your account. For example, with the Netflix, select sign in and follow the instructions shown on the screen. When one organize your apps, VIZIO allows you to organize apps from the easier access. The VIZIO mobile app can also help you find the launch apps to your TV. Now I tell about method 2. If you have an older VIZIO VIA Plus TV, if your TV has a VIA Plus, the process is different. Press the V button on remote, sometimes twice. Open the VIA Plus app screen. Go to My Apps. Browse featured latest all apps or categories. Highlight the app you want. Press and hold OK button. The app will be added to My Apps. Third method is older VIZIO VIA TVs. For older Via model, press the V button on the remote. Select Connected TV Store. Choose All Apps. Find the app you want. Select the app. Choose Install App. This method applies to older Via televisions and is different from current VIZIO OS SmartCast models. What if you can't find an app? This is important. You can't install every Android app on a VIZIO TV. VIZIO TVs generally only support apps that are available through the particular VIZIO platform. Current VIZIO OS provides access to hundreds of supported apps. If an app is not supported, you can often use Chromecast built-in or Apple AirPlay from a compatible phone, a tablet or a computer. VIZIO documents supports for both on its smart TV platform. For the last tip, if you tell me your exact VIZIO TV model number, I can give you the exact button by button instruction for the model. Thanks for watching my video.